In this video, I'm going to be installing a three-way switch to operate lights in my basement. You can see I've already run the cables. I've got a 2-conductor cable that goes back to the fuse box, and I've got a 3-conductor cable that goes to the other light switch. The power is running from the junction box to this light switch, and then over to the second light switch, and then to the lights. You can see that I've already tied off the grounding wires and put them red on them, as well as the neutral wires. So where I live, the code is that you have to have the neutrals remain neutral throughout, and that's why I'm going from the light switch to the next light switch and then to the lights, as opposed to going to the lights and then the switch, or one switch and then the lights. So you can see here that I'm attaching the grounding wire to the light switch, and I've attached the black wire coming from the 2-conductor cable to the black screw on the light switch. I'm now attaching the red and black wire from the 3-conductor cable to the brass screws, and those are called the traveler wires. Here's where I'm going to attach the other switch for the three-way circuit. Now you can see the red and black wire which go to the other light switch, and you can see the one black wire coming out that goes to the lights. You can see as well that I've already tied off the grounding wire, as well as the neutrals. Now the wire that goes onto the black common screw, or the hot screw, is the black wire that goes back to the lights. And again, on the 2 brass screws, you will install the red wire and the black wire, which are part of the 3-conductor cable going to the other light switch. Now before I close everything up, I always give these things a test. And this light switch works fine, and the other light switch also has no problems, works fine. Overall, this is a pretty easy job, and it only took a few minutes to wire. As usual, just running the wire took longer. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.